You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this brand name, and the corresponding bikinis. If you want to learn more fashion brand names that are confusing, absolutely stay tuned. Pronounced in English as Lurex. Lurex. In French, the pronunciation is as Lurex, but in English, Lurex. Lurex Bikini. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.